Now I do also want to show you how you can set up discounted pre-orders. So basically if somebody pre-orders the product, they'll receive a discount on it. And this is another really great tactic to get people to purchase your products on pre-orders, especially if you are pre-launching products by buying small samples. You can go and offer people a discount in order to make them purchase it rather than purchasing it at full price once it is readily available. So in order to do this, we can go back to products. I am going to turn off the notify me, and then we are going to go into custom settings, and we will see pre-order, and we will see pre-order discounts, and then it's going to say discount selector settings is not completed. So what we're going to do is we are going to click on this settings page, and then it's going to bring us down to this area where it says discount selection, and we're going to have to choose our prices that we want to be discounted. So we're going to click on select on this first one, and then you're going to hold shift, and you are just going to select the price on your product page, and then just hit save. So now that we have selected that price, we are going to choose the same for our cart. So we are going to click select, and again we are going to hold shift, and we're just going to select the price on our cart page, and we'll hit save again. Now that we have selected both of those, we can hit save. Now if you have a pop-up cart, you can go and choose this, and you can go and do the same thing for your pop-up cart. However, I don't have a pop-up cart, so now I'm just going to hit save. And now that we have saved that, we can go back to products. And firstly, let's just go and view this product. So we can see that this product is $99.99. However, we can go and add a pre-order discount. So what we can do is we can come into the custom settings, and then we will see pre-order discounts. We can go and turn this on. And then what we can do is we can go and, let's say, make this 15%. So if somebody pre-orders the product, they will receive 15% off. Then we can say pre-order is active, and then we can click on apply. So now that we have applied that discount, if we go and open up the product page, and we can see that the original price was $99.99. With that 15% off, the product is now $84.99. Again, like I said, a really another great tactic that you can use to pre-sell your products. So now